Hi friends! Today's video I'm super excited for because I was inspired by one of my students who's currently saving up for a 3D printer. Now I don't own a 3D printer, but I do own a 3D pen. Now this is the 3Doodler Create pen. I got it off Amazon for I got it on sale. I got it on sale for 70 bucks, but now it's priced at 80. You can also get them at Michael's and Walmart, and they're super, super fun if you like to do sculptures, you like to make jewelry, different things like that. These are super awesome to do and much cheaper than a 3D printer. Now, I also have gotten, it comes in the kit with plastic to start with that you feed into the pen, but I also got a lot more different colors and textures like glossy and matte on Amazon as well. And I think this pack, I got this for 30 bucks off Amazon. So without further ado, let's get started, and I'm going to show you guys how you work with a 3D pen. Alright, so this is my 3Doodler Create pen, and when I open the box, inside is instructions, which I highly suggest you follow to the T in order to make sure that it works properly. And then there's the pen, the charging cable, which you have to have plugged in order to use it, and then these are other tools that you can use to clean it if it gets jammed. And then if I take out this plastic film, it comes with 3D, the plastic that goes into the 3D pen. Oops. Now it does come in little bags originally, but I took them out. Now it does come with a mat that you can use to build your things on, so that way it doesn't stick to anything. So you can use that. And then it also comes with these fun glasses you can make, these stencils, these hipster glasses, which are super cool. And it also comes, well, it comes with a quick start guide and another instruction manual. And in that instruction manual, they also have a stencil to build an Eiffel Tower, which is what I'm going to use today. And we're going to build this together. Alright friends, now that I have my 3Doodler, I am going to plug her in. I plugged her into the outlet. I am then going to switch this switch onto high. You can kind of see it there, hopefully. And this will then warm up kind of like a hot glue gun. Now, when this light turns blue, you will know that it is ready to work. Alright, she's blue and she's ready to go. I'm so excited. So the colors I'm choosing to do today is this pack. I think this color story is beautiful and just speaks to my soul. So I'm going to use this today, and it is a glossy one, so it will be a little shiny, and I'm going to start with purple. And to start, you put the plastic into the feeder into the back, and you push down till you feel it going in all the way. You're going to then click the fast button once to feed the plastic into it, and you can kind of feel it taking it in. You might be able to see it in the little clear part here. Oop, and it's starting to come out. Now that's my old plastic, so I'm gonna wait till that goes out all the way, because I don't want red, I want purple. Alright, so now my purple's coming out and I'm ready to go. And what I did is I switched to low, and that's why it's glowing green, because I'm using a glossy plastic and we want to keep her on low, otherwise it will melt too fast and clog the pen. If that does happen, they give you these really cool tools to declog your pen. Now there's two buttons here. There's the fast button and the slow button. To make it go, you hit the fast button once or the slow button once, and it will either go fast or slow. I recommend starting with the slow speed until you're used to it, and then you can go fast once you feel like you're a pro at it. Now, in the pamphlet, it came with a template to build the Eiffel Tower, and so that's what I'm going to do today. And the way I build my 3D models is by building everything 2D and then putting all those pieces together like a Lego to make it 3D. Now you can build straight up in the air, and I can show you that later, but for now I'm going to show you how I usually build my 3D models with my 3D pen. Alright, so I have my template, and you can print some offline, and I have my plastic mat so it doesn't rip the paper or melt the paper or burn it. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to hit the slow button to start. And I'm just going to press down and follow those lines. Alrighty, and there I have my first piece done, and now I have to do this 4 more times, well 3 more times, and to make it into a 3D form. And then I can easily just bend the mat and pop it off. And there I have my first piece for my Eiffel Tower. Alright, now that I have all my 4 pieces, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my 3D pen to kind of almost glue them together here. And there I have my Eiffel Tower. Well, the beginning of it. And I guess I gotta do the other colors.